Now guys, this is showing after blue dump. So if your system is working properly and sometimes is facing blue dump, so you press shift key and then restart. So you continuously press and then showing this window, click to troubleshoot, advance, then click to startup setting and then restart. So here safe mode, restart, click to restart. Now press to F4. Now this is starting. Press to F4, then go to safe mode. So this is showing safe mode and black screen. So if working properly, no show any blue dump, and then simple restart. Restart and normal boot. Then guys, open this computer and go to driver management and update your driver. So this is very simple. Go to and right click to this PC and more options, manage, or click to driver manager. So you can uninstall your display driver and then again install. You right click to uninstall and then again install. If you using a NVIDIA graphic card, so again you uninstall and have to uninstall. So simple, you show I don't have a NVIDIA graphic and you have a, so here to show NVIDIA graphic GTX 710 whatever. So you just right click and then uninstall and then again install, then restart. Then guys, restart your system and then check. If any again facing this problem, so comment me, I will support you. Okay, bye bye, take care.